Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a alcohol detector device. It sounds awesome, na? So without wasting any time, let's get started.
You did me dirty the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
First of all, you need a Arduino Nano, MQ-3 alcohol sensor, BC547 transistor. You need 1K and 10K resistor, a buzzer, you need a LED and a PCB board. Here I am placing all the component on the PCB board. After placing all the component, you need to solder it properly. I have provided all the circuit diagram. You will get it from the description below. After soldering, the device will look like this. Now it's time to program the Arduino.
A few moments later.
I took 4 samples for better understanding of the circuit. I'm pouring some water in a plastic cup. Next, I took Savlon. I'm using a sanitizer. And lastly, I took the alcohol sample. Now I am testing with several samples for the detection. And no light is blinking in case of water. Now checking for the sanitizer whether it will blink or not. And it's blinking. There you go. Alcohol present in the sanitizer, that's why the buzzer beeps. We know there is no alcohol present in the Savlon, and that's why the buzzer is not beeps and it's not blinking. And now testing with the alcohol sample. Let's see what happens. And it's blinking. And you can see the circuit is fully working. You can also make this project in your home or in exhibition. If you are facing any problems while making this project, contact me on Instagram. I will help you, and the link is given in the description. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Keep supporting us. We will see you in the next video.